Hey, it's me, Mr. Walker, back with another model for you. All right, let's jump into this model right away. So, it says, example one, pay by the ounce frozen yogurt. What a great summer treat, frozen yogurt. So, let's read it together. A new self-serve frozen yogurt store opened this summer that sells its yogurts at a price based upon the total weight of the yogurt and its toppings in the dish. Each member of Isabel's family weighed his dish, and this is what they found. Determine if the cost is proportional to the weight. So we have to determine if the cost is proportional to the weight. If the cost is proportional to the weight, then they pay the same amount per ounce. They have a constant of a certain price per 1 ounce of yogurt, right? So we need to determine if they pay the same, if these ratios are the same amount per 1 ounce of yogurt. Excuse me. So in order to do this, we're going to look at these ratios and we're going to divide them to find the constant, which is how much they pay per 1 ounce of yogurt, right? So in order to do this, we need to take the cost and divide it by the weight to see how much they multiplied it or charged to get the cost. So for this first ratio, they charged $5 for 12.5 ounces. So to figure out how much they pay, I'm going to do 5 divided by 12.5. Here we go. 5 divided by 12.5. And that equals 0.4. So on this ratio, they charged 0.4 or 40 cents per ounce, and the cost was $5. So to get that $5, they did 12.5 times 0.4, and you get 5. So now we're going to see if the same number occurs for all of these ratios, and that would make it the constant, and we would know it's a proportional relationship if a constant exists. So now we have to do it for all these ratios. The next one says we paid $4 for 10 ounces. So we paid $4 for 10 ounces. We're going to do 4 divided by 10. I'm going to use my handy dandy calculator. 4 divided by 10. And that equals 0.4 again. So again, they did 10 times 0.40 cents and got $4. Let's see if it's the same for 5 and 2. We paid $2 for 5 ounces. So I need to do 2 divided by 5. And what you're going to get is, again, 0.4. And lastly, we have $3.20. And that was for 8 ounces. So we're going to do $3.20 divided by 8. And that also equals 0.4. So we know that in all these ratios that they charged 0.4 or 40 cents per ounce, which makes 40 cents our constant. So the cost of the cost is 40 cents per ounce. And we know, and let's write our final answer in a sentence. This is a proportional relationship because there is a constant of 40 cents per ounce, right? No matter if you buy 100 ounces of ice cream or you buy 1 ounce of ice cream, they still charge you 40 cents per ounce, which makes this a proportional relationship. Awesome. Once you have finished this video, please turn back on your camera on Zoom so we can go over questions and talk about this problem in person. Thank you.